Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Nihad Systems. So we are back after a few days. Yep, I'm in a little work. Okay, so today we are going to make the new features of Google. That is funny. Yep, and I told you in the last video that I'm going to put another video about insert tab. Yep, after one video, after again one video, I will put that insert tab or two videos. Yeah, it is still in pending, and the Linux video is coming soon. Yeah, and today we are going to see about the funny features of Google. Yeah, this is part 1. So to do that, first open Google Chrome or your any browser and go to the web page of Google Chrome. Remember, web page of Google Chrome, any browser. So type anything, Google in space, Google in gravity, Google in underwater. Here I am, for example, I am clicking on underwater. Okay, and I'm searching and I am feeling lucky, and looks like you can see many fishes are running and going. So when you press on that I am feeling lucky, you will get coins that falling from the sky, even treasure as well. Look, that treasure has gone to the underwater. Yeah, and even crowns. Look, 2-3 crowns has gone to the underwater. Yeah, this is a little funny. Yeah, when you are doing in a free, you can try this. Okay, and look, this is quite different, quite funny. Next we are going to meet Google Mirror. Google Mirror is funny thing. Yep, we are going to do. Okay, we are typing 1 2 again I'm going to underwater and then Google Mirror, and then I'm typing 1. Look, it has changed into mirror and it came to the original part from a 3D film. Next feature is Google Dinosaur. Maybe I think 85% of the world knows about the Google Dinosaur. Yeah, I think. And then next I am showing you Thanos Snap. Thanos Snap. You have seen in movies that about Thanos, and when we click on that snap button of his hand, some of the web pages are going, that means disappearing. Yep, that is quite funny and little creepy. Yeah, I like this too. And here I'm going, yes, this is quite funny, and again we click on that snap button. Also funny animations or funny noise is coming. Yeah, I have turned off the noises, so that's why you can't hear anything. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe and like and share my videos. So the next here we are gonna meet is the Google Pac-Man. Yeah, that is a game. I'm not going to show any games because yeah, games are for kids. Yep, I'm saying like that. Okay, that is all. That flyer is also a game, and this is a different. This is called Google Spring. It is just like a spring on a spring. When you do it, it will again join like a magnet. Yep, that is crazy. And the next is another game in Google Chrome, and in index phones have like these games. Yep, this is quite funny as well. Okay. Yep, this is funny as well. So here I am going to stop my video. If you like, don't forget to subscribe and like and share. The next video will be coming about the next part of the Google Chrome features. Yeah, maybe next video coming second video or more. So I am stopping my words. Thank you. Have a nice day.